Need to track time in different time zones? In this video, we'll show you how to easily display multiple clocks on your Windows 11 PC. At first, press the Windows key plus R to launch the Run window on your computer. Type this Run command in the Run window and then hit Enter, timedate.cpl. In the Date and Time dialog box that opens, select the Additional Clocks tab. Now go to the first Show This Clock field, and here, type a desired name for the clock in the Enter Display Name field. For instance, I want to see the additional clock for Brisbane, hence I typed Brisbane in the Enter Display Name field. Now click on the drop-down in the Select Time Zone field and select the appropriate time zone. If you want to add the clock for another city, check the box next to the second clock. Show this clock now. Repeat the steps 5 and 6 to show the clock for another city. Press Apply and then OK to save the changes and exit. Once done, you should now see the 2 additional clocks for 2 different cities on your taskbar, along with the default time for the current location. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.